What's up, guys? This is day 4 of the series, trapping until I have $1,000. Pulling up to the first spot, take out the stake, see what we got. I think we have one on this one, I think. So let me unset this trap. And yep, we got a gopher. We are heading to a new spot. Pulling up to another spot. Let's see if we got one. Let's take out this trap first. And yep, we caught one. This is like the third spot. Pulling up on the third spot. Let's see if we caught any. Oh, big gopher. That's a big gopher. This one is plugged, so I'm gonna dig it out. Alright, I dug it out to see the traps. Let's pull out the traps, see if we caught anything. As you can see, I don't think I caught anything on this one. Nope, didn't catch anything. Alright, this is my last set of the day. See if I caught one. Nothing that way. And nothing that way. Thank you for watching.